Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. In this video today, we are going to see how we can make an AWS S3 bucket public. So this video is going to be part of the AWS quick tutorials playlist that I have on my channel. And if you have not subscribed to my channel, do subscribe to it, press the bell icon so that you can be updated whenever there is a new video in the channel. So let's get started. So I have the S3 console open over here. So I'll quickly go to the general purpose buckets here, and I can see I have one bucket here. Now by default, any object that you upload in this bucket will not be public because the bucket itself is not public. I can quickly show you that. So if I add a particular file here, like this image file, and I quickly upload it, we are waiting for it to be uploaded. So once it's uploaded, if I just select this particular object and copy its URL from here and paste it in my browser, you will see that it will give an access denied error, right? Because the object is not public, the bucket itself is not public. So I'll show you how to make this bucket public so that you can access the object using the same URL. So I will go to the permissions tab over here, and the first thing that we need to do is turn off this block public access setting, which is a kind of an AWS safeguard to make sure that your bucket does not get accidentally public. So I'll just edit this, turn off this checkbox, and save the changes. I need to confirm the change, and once I do that, I need to now modify something called as a bucket policy. Now, bucket policy is nothing but a JSON document, which kind of, controls the access towards this particular bucket, access of this particular bucket. So to do that, I'm just going to press this edit button here, and you will see that there is something called as a policy generator. Okay, so I'll just quickly go ahead and click on this link. So I first need to choose what kind of policy I'm creating. So I'll choose the S3 bucket policy. Now in the bucket policy, we need to add something called as statements actually. So in this particular case, I am basically allowing a particular action, okay, because it's an allow operation. So I'm allowing everyone to come in and access objects in my bucket. Principal is nothing but a particular user or service or an AWS account to whom you are giving this permission. So for simplicity, I'm just making it star because I want it to be applicable for anyone. Okay, the service is AWS S3, and now we have to choose an action basically, right? So in our case, to make the bucket public, what we are just telling is we want anyone to come in, okay, and access the object, okay, from our bucket. So there is a particular action for this, which is get object basically. So I'll just quickly search for that here. Okay, so you will see that there is a get object action that I will select for this case. And finally, we need to choose the bucket or the resource on which this policy will be applicable. So I think we know our bucket name. The bucket name is Sumitavo demo bucket 1. So I'll just replace these placeholders and put in Sumitavo demo bucket 1. And I'll just add a slash over here just to indicate that this policy should be applicable to any subfolders or any nested folders within this bucket. So I'll go ahead and press add statement and finally generate policy, and you will see that it has generated a nice looking policy for us. So I'll just copy this from here and paste it in the policy section, okay, and press save changes. So you will see now that it is giving you an unexpected error. Policy has invalid resource. Okay, that's because I think we have made something wrong here. Okay, so I think we need to add a star over here. Cool. So I'll just go ahead and save the changes again. And cool, the bucket policy is successfully edited. And now if I go back to the same object, and we have its URL already open over here, which was not working earlier because of access denied. I'll just refresh this page now, and Cool, you can now see the object directly from the URL itself, without generating any pre-signed URL, because the bucket is public now, and hence its object as well, and anyone can come in and access the object using this URL. So I hope you would have liked today's video, and if you have liked it, do subscribe to my channel, do like this video and press the bell icon so that you will be updated whenever there is a new update to the channel. So thank you very much.